This is final consonant blend SP. S sound is S. S. P's sound is P. P. And together we have SP. We're going to put that at the end of some words. All right, let's tap and stretch this new word out. Gasp. Tap and stretch again. Gasp. Say it fast. Gasp. Say it fast. Gasp. Yeah, when you gasp for air, right? He had to gasp for air because he was running too fast. Okay, are you ready? Let's tap and stretch. Lisp. Tap and stretch again. Lisp. Say it fast. Lisp. Say it fast. Lisp. Yeah, sometimes people have a lisp when they speak a little bit differently than we do. Okay, tap and stretch the new word. Wisp. Tap and stretch. Wisp. Say it fast. Wisp. Say it fast. Wisp. Yeah, you have a little wisp of hair in front of your face. Okay, we have one more. Let's tap and stretch this new word. Cusp. Tap and stretch. Cusp. Say it fast. Cusp. Say it fast. Cusp. Yeah, to be on the cusp of something is to be on the edge of it. And that is final consonant SP. Good work.